Our third method of importing from QuickBooks Desktop to Tax1099 is using QuickBooks Desktop to report method. This is a handy option for when QuickBooks Desktop version is older or when you have too many problems working through the other two methods. A lot of people prefer this method. So to use this method, we're going to pull the following two reports from QuickBooks Desktop. We are going to customize one of them and make sure we save them correctly so we don't confuse the two reports. Let's get the first report. This is the vendor contact list. And there is an article on this, so you can find the instructions on our knowledge base. We're going to open our QuickBooks Desktop. Sign in. We will need to download the vendor contact list. So once it's open, we go to reports. We go to vendors and payables and then go to vendor contact list. In vendor contact list, we will customize report. Anything you see here stays checked, but we will go down the list and make sure we get these other headers. So we're going to go in there. Vendor, it's already selected. Company, first name, middle initial, last name, main email, bill from street one, and you'll see things that are similar here. It is not those. So bill from one, not it. Bill from street one, yes. Bill from street two, bill from city, bill from state, bill from zip, bill from country, and then account number. We're going to scroll down. Account number is already there. Tax ID, eligible for 1099. We are going to make sure that all active and inactive vendors are coming over. So we're going to click on filters, active status, and click all. Once that's done, we can click OK. And we need to export this to Excel. So we're going to go to Excel, create new worksheet, and click export. You'll see that we need to save this once it pops up. We do need to make sure we save this in XLSX. XLSX. This is also in our knowledge base article. Here it is. This is what it should look like. It should end in the column AO. You should have two sheets, this one and sheet one with the actual data. This is how it should look. We want to save, but we need to change this. It needs to be XLSX. There you go. I'm going to name it to make sure I don't confuse it. This is my vendor. This is my vendor contact list. Wow. Okay. And we're going to save. It says that it cannot, but it can. So yes. All right. It is saved. I can now close this. And now we can go grab the 1099 summary. So we're going to go exit. Or I can leave it there. We're going to go to reports, vendors and payables, 1099 summary. You want to choose this calendar year for testing purposes. I'm going to click on last calendar year. You should select the form type here to use thresholds. And once that's properly selected, you should see your 1099 summary. There it is. That's my total. Here, we don't need to customize it. It's perfect. We're going to export to Excel. Excel, create new worksheet, and export. This one should look a little similar like the other report. It shall have two sheets. It does have a header. It has a space here. And we're going to make sure we save it in XLSX. Save. Yes. And now we got that saved. Oh, I didn't change the name, but I know it's book 2. So now that I've got both of my reports, I can go over to my own internet web browser standing alone apart from QuickBooks Desktop. We logged in, we click import, we select QuickBooks Desktop, go down to report method. Oh, I timed out. Log back in. Import QuickBooks Desktop to report method, and we're going to select first our payer, select our tax year. I'm doing 2024, and the form type. We're doing NEC. You're going to select first the vendor contact list. Vendor contact, it should be this one. Yes. Success. And then we're going to grab the summary report. It's book 2. Open. Successful. That's what we want to see. If we were to be filing bulk corrections, we can do that here by selecting this. We're going to move forward. And this is our import grid. We want to see all green data. So you do click on the name itself. I have multiple locations, 4 stores turned on, so every single identity will come and need a client ID. So if there's anything else that's missing, when you come in here, it'll let you know by encapsulating the box in red like you see here. It won't let you move forward by telling you what it is that needs to be updated. Once my recipients are updated, I still have the red dot of my actual payer. I would click on the name itself as I did the other ones. I need a disregarded entity, and I'm going to click save. Now that I have all good data, I'm going to select all. We can always verify the amounts using our 1099 summary, and then click next. My 5 vendors have been forms have been created and saved. So I can now log out. I can now exit this page. My forms are saved and created in my account. They have not been submitted. They'll just be waiting here until I'm ready to select and submit for this payer. This is how you do the to report method.